Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a T-Mobile 5G gateway and want to connect your TV to it for streaming, you might be wondering how the connection actually works. Unlike traditional cable setups, the gateway doesn't directly connect to your TV with video output. Instead, it provides internet access that your TV uses for apps like streaming services. This means the connection process is more about linking your TV to Wi-Fi rather than using physical cables. Many users try to plug things in directly and get confused when it doesn't work that way. Once you understand that the gateway acts as your internet source, the setup becomes simple and quick. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect your TV to a T-Mobile 5G gateway step by step and check these. Step 1. Turn on your T-Mobile 5G gateway and ensure it is connected. Step 2. Power on your TV and open the settings menu. Step 3. Go to the network or Wi-Fi settings on your TV. Step 4. Select your T-Mobile network from the available list. Step 5. Enter the Wi-Fi password correctly. Step 6. Confirm connection and test internet on your TV.